Hello! So this video is to help support you with page S-73, and we're looking first at problem 1-114. So we're looking at giant ones, and when you're using these videos, the best practice is that you guys have already tried the problems yourself, and you're either now checking your answer or you are getting support. So this question says that we want to find the giant one that will multiply the fraction on the left side of the equation to create the equivalent fraction on the right side of the equation. And we're going to fill in the other missing information. So what that means is that we want this fraction, in the case of A, 5, 6, to equal the fraction on the right side of the equal sign, 15 somethings. So we know that if we multiply by 1, we don't change the value. So we want to have a giant 1. And to get 1, we want to have the same number in the numerator and in the denominator. So when I multiply fractions, I'm going to look across the top. So 5 times what equals 15? And I know that 5 times 3 equals 15. So that's in my numerator is a 3. And my denominator is also going to be a 3. So that, because I know 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 6 times 3 equals 18. So this next one, I know that my final answer is 4 6, and I want to say 3 times what equals 6? Well, I know that 3 times 2 equals 6, and if 2 is in the denominator, it also has to be in the numerator. And now I say what number times 2 equals 4, and I know that 2 times 2 equals 4. In my next problem, I can see 2 times what equals 16. So I know in my denominator it's going to be 8 because 2 times 8 equals 16. So in my numerator, it's also going to be an 8 for my giant 1. And then I can say what number times 8 equals 8. And I know that's 1. 1 times 8 equals 8. In my last problem over here, I say 4 times what number equals 24? I know this from our 24 game. I know that 4 times 6 equals 24. So 6 is in the denominator of my giant 1. It also has to be in the numerator of my giant 1. And I can say what number times 6 equals 6? I know that is 1. So therefore, I know that 1/4 is also equal to 6/24. I hope this video helps. Go ahead and watch the second video for problem 117.